Hello everyone. So this is the lecture where we are going to talk about software development life cycle. In short, we called it as SDLC. Now in SDLC we talk about how we are going to develop any software. So like any other product, we have to know the basic requirements, that how we are going to develop, what are the major issues that are persistent in the market. So considering all these factors, we have to develop our software. So this is a life cycle of a software where we consider and develop, test a good quality software. Now for the whole SDLC program, we have to consider 6 stages. In the first stage, we talk about planning and requirement analysis. Next stage, we talk about defining the requirements. Then moving forward, designing, development, testing, and finally the deployment of the software. So coming to the first stage, that is the planning and requirement analysis. In the planning and requirement analysis, what we do is we have to target what type of software we need to develop, what is the requirement of that, how we are going to develop that product. So basically here we have to gather information regarding the product that we are going to develop, or what we have to cater, or we have to focus on the market. So in this planning and requirement analysis stage, the developers basically do is to collect or to do the market survey of that particular product. Coming to the next stage, that is the defining requirements. In this stage, after assessing the market and after developing the respective we can say aura of that particular product in the market, we define the requirement, like what will be the MBs of that particular software, what are the stages that we have to do in that particular development of software. Everything we have to define in this particular stage. After that, we come to designing. So we cannot jump straight forward or jump all together to the designing stage, right? So we have to develop, we have to move in this stage wise, or we in this direction wise flow. After that, in this design stage, we start to develop our software, right? So in this stage, development of software started. Now after designing, we have to develop it fully in the fourth stage, that is the developmental stage. And finally, after development of that particular software, we cannot launch that particular software straightforward in the market. So in the fifth stage, we test that particular software. So for testing of the software, we create prototypes. In that particular prototypes, we have to run one single software in one cycle. After running one particular cycle, what we do is we analyze and we launch that particular product in the market. After launching that particular product, we reassess and redesign that particular product, assessing the market needs and the feedback that we get from the users. Now in this particular testing stage, it is very important stage for any software developer to test their software prior, before launching it to the mass customer or mass audience. Now finally, in the last stage, that is the deployment and maintenance stage. So here we deploy that particular software, and after deployment, just like any other product, we have to get the feedbacks from the consumers, and based on that feedback, we maintain our software. So this is about how we develop our software. We cannot develop a software straightforward jumping to one particular need of the one particular people. So we have to assess everyone's requirement, and based on that particular assessment of that particular requirements, we develop our software. So this is whole about the developmental life cycle of any software that we are using. See, for example, if you are using Instagram, or what we are using WhatsApp. See, so prior to the development of that particular software, all these stages must have been done, and after that we have get that Instagram or WhatsApp software. So this is about software development life cycle. In the next video, we will talk about how we do the designing of the particular software. So thank you.